மனசின் பேரொளியை நீ தருவாய். கருணையின் தேவா காத்திட நீவா, காலத்தின் தலைவனே கல்வி தர நீவா. கசந்த கவலையினை களைத்து கரிசனம் நீ எனிதா. நெஞ்சமும் சந்நிதி நீ, அதில் நிம்மதி நித்தமும் என்னை நடத்திடவா. பொழுதுனை பணிந்தேன் இறைவா, 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 இறைவா.
Principal, staff and students, I deem it a proud privilege to roll out a red carpet welcome to our Chief Guest, Sister Nora, the Principal of Cluny Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Sister Nora has been the superior of various Cluny schools and is currently the Principal of Cluny Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Sister has taken the school to greater heights of glory in the capacity of the head of the institution. Sister is closely associated with our school too, for Sister has put in valuable service in St. Joseph's as a teacher, grooming and mentoring the wards entrusted to her care. To cap it all, Sister is the recipient of the most coveted Best Teacher Award from the Government of Tamil Nadu on 5/9/2015. It's most befitting that we have such a charismatic persona on the days today. A cordial welcome to you, our dear sister. I invite Sister Calista, our correspondent, to honor the chief guest with a shawl and a gift. Thank you, Sister. And a renowned promoter in Salem district. Mr. SK is no stranger to us. He has a close association with the school as a parent, benefactor, and well-wisher. With these words of introduction, I once again extend a very hearty welcome to you, sir. I now invite Sister Lud Mary, our principal, to honor Mr. S. Krishnamurthy with a shawl and a gift. Thank you, sister. A warm word of welcome to our correspondent, Sister Calista, our dear principal, Sister Lud Mary, sisters from the convent, staff and students. A joyful welcome to our dear parents who are the special invitees of the day. Once again, a warm welcome to one and all present here. Thank you. Principal, Sister Lud Mary, to read out the annual report.
A very good morning and welcome to all of you. Guest of the day, Sister Nora, guest of honor, Mr. S. Krishnamurthy, Sister Calista, the correspondent, parents, well-wishers, staff and students. I feel happy to stand before you to present the annual report for the year 2015-16. I am immensely glad to draw your attention to the kaleidoscopic events that took place during this fruitful academic year. The secret of success is intelligent planning. The school council meticulously planned out the year's activities. The school has grown from strength to strength over the years, witnessing marvelous achievements and scaling new heights. Strength and infrastructure. The school aims at imparting sound moral education coupled with academic excellence. Though the school had a humble beginning in the year 1958, it has now burgeoned into a full-fledged school with modern amenities. The digital board has transformed the classroom teaching into a more interesting and an innovative one. This has made learning more enjoyable for the tiny tots with a creative playway method. Results. The school produced meritorious centum results during the academic year 2014-15 in the SSLC and higher secondary board exams. Kaushma Sri of Standard 10 secured a total of 497 out of 500 and achieved the glorious feat by securing the state third rank. Saudaria of Standard 12 was the school topper in Standard 12. She secured a total of 1,179 out of 1,200. 18 students in the higher secondary and 107 students in SSLC secured centums in various subjects in the board exams. The school provides ample opportunities to physical fitness in the school curriculum. The children are given basic training in yoga to improve their agility. Activities in the play yard help in developing their psychomotor skills, thereby enhancing the brain development. The students excel in various games and sports like basketball, volleyball, table tennis, chess, and swimming. The school takes great pride in having produced state, national, and international players in basketball. The 57th annual sports meet was held in August 4th with Mr. Lokesh Yadav, the international basketball player, as the chief guest. The school works round the year to bring about a secular feeling and communal harmony among the students and the staff. The school celebrates all the major religious and national festivals with pomp and splendor. The Founders' Day gave a head start to the colorful events of the year that followed. Our founder, Blessed Anne-Marie Jauhe, was fondly remembered for her selfless service to the society. The Independence Day, Diwali, Christmas, and Pongal were celebrated with gaiety and grandeur to promote a healthy tolerance among the students. Competitions. In view of the Children's Day celebrations, various competitions like singing, dance, Tirukural recitation, fancy dress, and elocution turned out to be a colorful one with the children decked in fanciful outfits. The audience witnessed the rich pageantry of national and innovative theme from various walks of life. Parent-teachers meeting. Regular parent-teacher meetings are held at the end of each term to discuss the academic performance of the children and to review the improvement they have shown. Innovative ideas are inculcated in the school curriculum. Conclusion. The management acknowledges with deep gratitude the selfless help rendered by those associated with the smooth running of this institution. Due is my sincere thanks to the diligent staff for their cooperation and devotion. We owe the success of this purposeful year to our patron Saint Joseph, our founder Blessed Anne-Marie Jauhe, and the omnipotent Lord Almighty for showering his choicest blessings on us throughout this year. Thank you.
Sprinkled with fragrance to invite one another with warm greetings. Get ready to watch the scintillating performance. Can And now my letter I will show. Jolly big round letter O. Nearly, not quite the last of them, is mine, the pretty letter M. I wonder what the last will be. You all may guess letter E. Your merit of being achievers. Dear parents, get ready to travel all over India at free of cost. Yes, the children of UKG are dressed up traditional costume of various days. Get ready to witness.